Maybe you are in the trouble of being locked out of iPhone, and you would like to erase the iPhone to make it a new one. Someone suggests to erase the locked iPhone with iTunes, but first, you should turn off the Find My iPhone feature in your locked iPhone. Some also suggest to erase locked iPhone via iCloud's Find My Phone. In this case, you should make sure that your locked iPhone has internet connection. If you haven't done both of these to your iPhone, then try another way to erase your locked iPhone. You don't even need to connect your iPhone to internet, or turn off Find My iPhone feature first. Here is how to erase locked iPhone without passcode step by step. Step 1. Open iMyFone Lock Wiper onto your computer. Step 2. Select Unlock Screen Passcode mode and click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer with USB cable and click Next. Please make sure the connection is uninterrupted during the unlocking process. Step 3. Choose the firmware version provided and click Download. Wait a few minutes to download and verify the firmware package. Step 4. When the verification succeeds, click Start to extract and kindly wait for it to complete. Step 5. Click on Start Unlock to begin. Step 6. Enter 000000 to doubly confirm you are agreeing to unlock your device. Then click Unlock. Your device will enter recovery mode automatically. With just a few clicks, the iPhone will be unlocked, and now you can enter your iPhone. If you are interested in this tool, iMyFone Lock Wiper, click the download link in the description to give it a try. It works for all iPhones, whether they are locked, disabled, or broken screen. Besides to removing passcode, you can also use it to remove Apple ID and password. That's all for today. If you found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions about this video. See you next time.